shoulder pain, back pain, and leg pain. Yung nga ba ang problema ninyo? You better take a look at this one. Itong 16-head na massager. Guys, sobrang nice ito. I already tried this for 2 weeks. And ikukwento ko sa inyo what are the things na nagustuhan ko dito. First of all, this one can give you up to 3,200 RPM ang kanyang speed. It can penetrate up to deep down body tissue, giving you that relaxation na hinahanap mo for so long. Na-try ko itong gamitin sa aking shoulder and na-feel ko yung release ng mga tension sa aking shoulder plus yung mga lamig sa mga tight knots dito sa aking shoulder na-release siya. I felt some relief after using for 10 minutes. Personally, I also have some back pains. Sitting in the office for 8 hours a day, talagang stressful sa inyong lower back. Thanks to this massager, nilagay ko sa aking likod, I was able to feel some relief after 10 minutes of usage. Talagang effective siya. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa mga massage therapist. And another one, after ko mag-workout, puro cardio ko, no? Nilagay ko to sa aking thigh for 5 minutes on the left and 5 minutes on the right. Na-feel ko na mas gumaan ng aking paa. One good thing din dito sa kanya is that it's battery operated, tumatagal ka ng battery life, and it has up to 30 modes na pwede mong i-select dito, yung kanyang intensity. Plus, it's pretty quiet din as well. It's easy to charge dahil Type-C port din siya. And itong mga heads are made of good material so hindi siya irritable. So ikaw, meron kang back pain, shoulder pain, saka leg pain, you better try one of these. Take it from me kasi I felt a lot better after using this one. So if I were you, just click the yellow basket para makabili ka na neto. Now na.